what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today is Mother's Day. I just got to hurry up and get dressed because my plan this morning was to finish out filming for this hair, but Sweet's got to go to work, so we're gonna go out real quick. So rushing, this is how I'm opening up the vlog. Say hi. In a little rough. So anyway guys, I don't know where we're going. All the boobies out today, cha. Okay, it's my first Mother's Day, y'all. It's my first Mother's Day. I'm trying not to be emotional or anything like that, but I'm gonna save that for later. I'll check y'all back in a little bit. I'm a little discombobulated just because I was trying to hurry up and get dressed and everything like that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrightAsDae. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today is gym day, guys. So I officially been cleared to go work out from my doctor and everything like that. I'm a little nervous. My first day back in months, even before I was pregnant. It's time. No more excuses. So I'm about to go in. I just drank my pre-workout. I'm waiting for it to like kick in, and I can feel my body like itching already. I'm not gonna bring y'all in today. I'm just gonna feel it out. I mean, I'm acting like I've never been to the gym before, so I kind of know what I'm gonna go in and do. I'm not gonna OD. I'll probably just do cardio and just call it a day. You got the curves in the waist, pretty face, yeah, I'm a damn for this. Island breeze, I'm a fresh now. Oh God, Island breeze, I'm a fresh one like you know. If you notice, yellow wine, in a bag like book. A boy don't come a street red, we will them and kill them. Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day. Workout yesterday was good. Today I went back. I just did the Stairmaster and the treadmill. I'm just doing cardio just for now, and then I'm gonna get into like weightlifting and stuff next week. So I'm just giving myself time to get acclimated and stuff like that. But anyway, I've decided I'm gonna try to make my own matcha. So I went to Whole Foods and I picked some stuff up that I'm gonna show y'all. For the matcha, I got the matcha that I saw at Whole Foods. They had a bunch of them. I got this one. The reviews online say this one was okay. It was, y'all, this one was $28. The place that I picked it up from said $14.99, but when I cashed it out, it said $28. I was just like, what the? And I got a $5 discount, so I just got it. I was gonna return it, but I'm just like, I guess everybody's like, oh, good quality matcha is expensive, so I'm like, all right, I'll try it out and see if I like it or whatever. And then I got some oat milk. This is the same oat milk that Starbucks uses. I watched them today and it's the same box. I already had this. It's like a vanilla syrup. It's not the one that Starbucks use, but it's a skinny, so if people on keto, they use it. Remember, if y'all been following me, I was on keto for a little bit. I'm thinking about going back to keto. I'm not sure yet, but this is just some vanilla syrup. I didn't feel like going out and buying like vanilla syrup. This honestly tastes like vanilla syrup, so I don't need to go out and buy like the regular ones in case I didn't like it. So I already put all of that in here, and I'm gonna do what the people at Starbucks do. But anyway, before I pour that out, I also am gonna make the vanilla sweet cream foam. I got this off Amazon. It actually came today. It's basically the thing to froth the milk. So it's some electric milk frother. Oh crap, it needs battery, and we don't got no battery. It needs battery. No, I bought battery the other day. So what it needs? It needs
It looked like AAA. No, it's AA. Oh, we got AA battery. I thought it was AAA. We have a whole bunch of AA battery. So let me go get the battery and I'll be back. I'm gonna rinse this off first before I use it though. So let's see. I'm scared to taste it. I'm scared to taste it. Hopefully it's fresh and I can sweeten it up. I'm done going to Starbucks. Guys, I know why this tastes a little different. It's good, don't get me wrong, it's really good. But the only reason I think it tastes a little different is I use vanilla syrup to sweeten it, and I've never gotten the vanilla one at Starbucks. I always got the chai. So maybe I need to go out and buy like the chai syrup to try it. Babe, come here. No, I want to get your reaction and taste my matcha. I'm letting him taste it because he tasted the Starbucks one before. I want him to taste this. Yeah, it's the syrup that's throwing the taste off a little bit, and because it's like the sugar-free skinny syrup. Yeah, no, really? Compare it to Starbucks and then compare it by itself, because obviously it's not gonna be Starbucks.
So it's all.
This is BrightAsDae. I like it.
Yeah, it is.
How does it taste? Compare it to Starbucks. It's not Starbucks, but
Starbucks and
more milky.
Yeah, something what it's not out.
Yeah.
Get on. Let me tell you. Yes, again. Can't go on, man.
Can't go on for sure.
1
8. That's a short. Listen, I'll take 8 out of 10. I'll take it. Like, it's that good. I tell you, this homemade matcha. Here we come, guys. I also got some juices from Whole Foods. I wanted to try it. I do have a juicer, but I don't know like recipes and stuff to try. I did try it a couple times and I didn't master like the flavor, so I decided to buy these to like see what I like, and then I'll start making my own. So I got this orange, carrot, ginger root, and turmeric root and lemon one. Then I got the carrot, Granny Smith beet, and kale and lemon. I like beet, so this should be interesting. And when you buy 4 of them, you get like money off of it. They are expensive though. One of these is $8. I said I'm just experimenting. So when you buy 4, you actually get $8 off. Because 4 8s is what, 32, and 4 of these is 24. So I got these just to try them out. But that's all I got from Whole Foods today. We went out early. We went to lunch. We went and got some margarita, and I got nachos. Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. So I am just leaving the gym. It's 8:12. I got an early start today. We woke up early and I couldn't go back to sleep. I'm just like, might as well go to the gym. We just want to go to the gym as well. So if I go now, then he can go in a little bit. But we're trying to go at the same time. It's just a matter of we need somebody to watch the baby. Anyway, I'm heading home. I'm about to go take Chef to school. But the real reason why I came on here, so y'all saw me make the matcha yesterday. Y'all, Sweets gave it an 8 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10 too. The only thing that I feel like throw the taste off a little bit is because of the syrup that I use. What is it called? It's the skinny syrup. It's from like the Skinny brand. Like I said, it was like the keto version of it, so that has like an off taste because it's not real sugar, quote unquote. It's like the keto type of thing. So it threw it off a little bit. So what I did, I went to Starbucks and I got a little cup of chai. Yeah, so I got 4 pumps of chai in a little cup. They were looking at me a little weird, but I want what I want, so I got the chai. So I'm gonna try making it again with the chai. I did order chai from Amazon and it said it was gonna come today, and I woke up this morning and it was like tomorrow by 10 p.m. and I was like, you got me there, Amazon. I don't pay for Prime for y'all to be switching up my time. But anyway, that's why I had money on my Starbucks app anyway, so I just went ahead and used it. It was 85 cents for 4 pumps, so I think I have like $4 left on my my Starbucks app, so I'm gonna just use it for the chai if I master this matcha, y'all. The only thing is matcha is expensive, but I feel like the powder will last me a little bit. Like, it's a good amount inside of it. And I'm gonna shop around obviously for like different types of matcha and just like taste around and see which one I like the best. Honestly, this one isn't that bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, shop around a little bit and try to see what I like. But I'm excited that I get to make this. Y'all don't know how much money I'm gonna save. The amount of money I've been spending on Starbucks is ridiculous. About to go, I'm actually late getting shopped because the morning traffic for school is a little crazy. Anyway, hey guys, it is a couple days later. I think I checked in yesterday, I'm not sure, but today is Friday. Oh, today's Friday the 13th. Guess who's playing Jason? In the words of Nicki Minaj. Me and Mommy and Kai is going on the road. I just want to say thank you to everybody. I just want to say thank you to everybody who gave me gripe water suggestions and stuff like that. We have 3 different kinds we're working with right now. The best one that worked for us has been the infant preservative, the yellow one that I showed y'all in the vlog. But yeah, so thank you. I'm gonna definitely check out the ones that y'all dropped in the comments as well. Appreciate you for that. And we're also gonna pick up some vitamin D for him. The doctor recommended it because apparently, let me do this. So apparently babies, they don't get enough vitamin D like through their foods and stuff, so up until 6 months. So they recommended me giving him some vitamin D, so I'm gonna go pick that up, and maybe some hydrocortisone because his skin has been really dry and flaky, and we've been trying to like figure out stuff to use and stuff like that, but it's on the up and up though. G-Mom make sure she shall try everything, so we're trying a bunch of different things. Hopefully it works. It's at work. Well, it's at work, right? It's working, but you know, the hydrocortisone is working. The doctor did prescribe hydrocortisone, but apparently the pharmacy is out of it. I don't know if they got it now. That's what I'm heading to go see it. Then Mommy is going on the road to go buy some stuff to send to Jamaica. And I'll probably stop at, I'm gonna stop at Sephora as well to pick one thing up. People have been asking me, oh man, people have been asking me about my face routine. Like, apparently it's clearing up. I promise y'all it's the pregnancy, because I ain't do much other than the other stuff that I showed y'all, and sunscreen. I feel like sunscreen, I religiously wear my sunscreen. Like, today's the first day I've been outside without my sunscreen on in a long time. Even when it's not sunny, you still wear your sunscreen, okay? It's not sunny today, but you still wear your sunscreen. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we are on the road doing. Hopefully they're open. My hair look a mess. Hopefully I can film my hair video tonight, because I'm gonna find the easiest wig to film it. I got a closure wig that's pretty easy that I can put on real quick. The annoying part about filming hair videos is that I gotta do my makeup. I feel like I'm wasting my makeup just to go do a video, like a hair video. But I need to, because I need to send in these videos. And my ear, I'm in a phase right now where I feel like I like switching up my hair. Before I'd be like, oh, that's too much work. But honestly, like, after I have it on a week for a few days now, I'm like, yeah, I need to change this now. So that's the phase I'm in. Oh, I forgot to say. So, and I forgot to tell you, but this hair company that I always buy from, if you know, you know. If you've been following me, you know. Before I started doing hair videos, I always order hair from them. They reached out to me, and I said, yeah. And I said, the day that they reach out to me, that's how I'm knowing, like, yeah, girl. And they reached out to me like 2 nights ago, and I was like, ah! So I'm excited. I'm I'm excited. That's just a full circle moment because they got a lot of my coins, okay? And now they're the one paying me too. It's lit. Was the hydrocortisone, did that come back in stock? Because I know they... Huh? Is this? Oh, man, I haven't seen in person. I'm like, oof, I wallet my own. He says 24 something for both. I'm good, thank you. But probably by the time I carry him home, I mean, carry him back at the doctor, I can't get one next prescription. Oh my God, mommy. We could have gone and bought some.
The same one.
Thank you. You too. We could have went to Dollar Tree and got some hydrocortisone. The only thing is I wasn't sure if it was like for baby kind. And it doesn't say anything about baby.
The one
no, that's the brand.
Oh.
That's the brand hydrocortisone. So we just literally pay for the brand. So it's the same one that Dollar Tree sells. I thought that it was like a baby. I don't think the Dollar Tree one is 1% though.
It is 1%.
It is? I just paid 24. Well,
that's cream or?
Yeah, it's a cream. It's literally, and it says maximum strength. I don't have a camera mount in Mumi's car, so I'm gonna check y'all later because my camera is swinging on the dashboard and we're not trying to break it. So guys, later on we got off the road and everything. We got everything we needed. So my cousin's going to Jamaica tomorrow, right? So him come with him suitcase. He was like, oh wait, he's a whole 10 pounds overweight. So I'ma come now and we're looking at him suitcase, people. You don't want to see your Andy pack. First of all, everybody knows when you're going down, take things out the bag, take price tags and everything off, and they have tag and stuff on them. Tell me say now go down go feed customs. Like look here, when customs gonna have a field day with him with all of these tags and bags and stuff. So I'm about to pack his suitcase for him. Show him if he really pack. It's still probably gonna be overweight. I'm not saying it's not, but we're gonna try something. Because Andy, I don't know what this is. The fact that I'm watching everybody got Jamaica and me now go. Like I feel like this is when I last time got Jamaica. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. 7 months. I'm not going to Jamaica for that's a long time. I feel like quarantine, I mean COVID spoiled me. What you say? You say what?
No.
What you say?
No.
What you say, Andy?
Sitting boy where you got Jamaica from.
We make it no ta. We make a Jamaica for again.
Where I got Jamaica for? Where I got Jamaica to the diet?
Plus Kai there, you Kai. Kaya drinking back and I'm minding business. Still can't go to Jamaica though. My grandparents are Jamaica when me miss.
Murder people edition. Kakam fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up with your bad. Cripple like I'm not the must fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little jumping, I coulda run in a yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the bucky man, Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep, living nights more. Yeah, that's when nobody can find us.
Alright guys, we made so much progress. Now we have to wait. Now this is how you pack a suitcase. Now we just have to wait to make sure that it is good. But look how much nicer this look. Oh God. Alright, come on Andy. Lock you up for we see. Look on trash. Guys, look at all of these that Andy had in the suitcase. So we have to take out. Like what Andy I go with them something here. Please to tell me. Look how much something. No, look at my two of them. Look how much something. My God. Alright, moment of truth. I would take out. Is that turn around, my mistake? How many can't really see, you know? Hold it up. Wait a 20. Put it on. Put it on. No, I mean like put it down. Let it go. 45. Lift you up, Andy.
45.
45 pounds. We took 5 pounds. Hey guys, what's up? So today is Tuesday. I mean, I'm not Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Today Kai is 2 months old. Yeah, one brush. Me can't brush. Don't have to brush. I'm in a brushy. You guys say hi. See your aunties and your uncles. Don't complain. Come. Say hi, guys. I'm 2 months today. Yeah, guys. So he's 2 months today. I can't believe I have a 2-month-old. Like, and first of all, how did 2 months fly by that quickly? Hey? How did 2 months fly by that quickly, Papa? Yes. Yes. You want to show them that you got your head strong? Huh? Wow, you showing off. You popped out all that head by yourself. He wants to sleep, guys. He's searching for his binky. No, yeah, suck your hand. Give me this, because you're not suck no finger, boy. Come on, I know money for the braces. Alright, so we're just chilling. We're home alone. Just chilling. I'm waiting for him to fall asleep. He's really sleepy. He's just fighting it. But guys, let me tell y'all how we have no baby formula. We have 1 can left, and it's a brand that I have not tried with him before. I had got it at the doctor's office. Thank God for the doctor's office. But it's no baby formula at Target, nowhere. Right now, we don't know what we're gonna do as far as his feeding, because y'all know there's like a baby food shortage here in the US. And you know what I saw on Twitter? People without kids are buying formula to resell to parents for like ridiculous amount. Like I went on Amazon, 1 little tin, they were selling it for like $70. And I was like, what? That's crazy. So yeah, we have a baby like formula shortage. If you don't know, he's not breastfed. He just never latched. It's not his thing. I've tried, and then I gave up. So he's not a baby formula. He's not a breastfed baby, so we need formula. I saw on TikTok people were like, oh, change your Amazon thing to another country and see it. It's the same thing. Like, I didn't see the ones I didn't see any either. I even sent to Jamaica. It's in Jamaica, so luckily I have 2 family members in Jamaica right now. So hopefully they're going to be able to like bring some up for me. But yeah, this is crazy. Like, baby food, I'm just like, yo, I'm about to start pumping my boobs again to see something gonna come out at this point. Because what is happening? And it's not funny. I'm like low-key freaking out, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know what to do. I said tomorrow. I'm literally gonna go tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna drive out this state. No, Pennsylvania is huge. This city, if I have to go find some baby formula, because there's none on Amazon. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. I'm about to hit up all my friends in different states, be like, y'all, look if there's baby formula and mail it to me, please, because this is crazy. I'm gonna go put him to sleep, and then I'll probably take a nap too, or I'll probably just chill. But I know for sure I'm gonna lay down for a little bit. Alright guys, I'll check y'all later. So guys, so Tuesday got me some flowers for Mother's Day, and they're getting a little old, but I saw some things on TikTok how to like refresh them. I started refreshing them. This is what they look like right now. They're so cute. Whenever I get flowers, they always like die within a few days, because I just never know how to care for them. But one day I was randomly scrolling on TikTok and I saw like how to care for them. So he got me these for Mother's Day, and I'm like, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna take care of them. So apparently you change the water like every other day or something. One trick that guys saw was to put sugar inside of the water, which I did. So I just changed the water and I put sugar in there. I put just like the white sugar, the granulated sugar. And then I am right now fluffing out the roses. I have 2 left, so I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the before. Look at it. Okay, apparently whenever you refresh your plants, you cut the stems in like a slanted way. And y'all, if y'all know about flowers, drop stuff in the description box. So, and then I'm gonna peel off the part that looks dead. I'm gonna peel those off towards the end. All right, so this is what it looks. So this is what it looks like after. So this is what it looks like after I peel it off. I'm gonna turn it upside down. I'm just gonna, whoo! This is what it looks like after I give it a little shake diddy dake. Yeah, I am so amazed. It is so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna need to get flowers every week. Like, for real. Like, I've never been like, oh, I want flowers type of girl, or I go and buy myself flowers, but I am about to be like, and I'm not just gonna rely on Sweets to get me flowers. I can get myself flowers as well, but he better start getting me flowers. Okay. Oh, I should have showed y'all that before, but I started shaking this one again. But y'all, look how pretty. It is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to refresh them again. And to think these are a whole week old. Like, the only thing that's changed about them, you can see like it looks purple. That's like the only thing that changed, but beautiful. I just have them sitting on my makeup table, but how cute. And now I gotta clean up this mess. All right guys, I'm gonna go take a nap. Kai is fighting sleep. He's still not sleeping. So I'm about to put like a movie on Netflix and just chill out for a little bit. I really don't have anything to do really. I just want to straighten up my room a little bit more. No matter, I straighten up like twice a day. And by the time we finish and we get ready and we get done and everything, it's a mess again. And I don't like seeing it. But anyway, I'm gonna go chill with Kai until he falls asleep. He loves company. He loves to like he loves cuddling and stuff like that. So we're about to go put on a movie. And yeah. You want mommy company? Your binky fell? Huh? Your binky fell, Papa? You want to smile for them? Because you started smiling. Now you're not in a smiley mood? Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. Here you go. Here you go. You smiling? You smiling, Papa? No? All right. I'm going to leave you alone. There you go. But you don't want the binky either. He probably wants to be in my arms, cuddled up. Look at you, sleepy. Right? Yeah. You playing? All right, I'm going to come play with you. Tell the peoples later. Tell the day ones later. Not you eating your hand like we don't feed you. Yeah. 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 All right, guys. Later. So guys, Kai's getting his first vaccine shots today. I'm not ready. You ready? You ready? You ready, Kai? You don't even know what's coming to you. Oh, I feel like I want to leave the room. My camera's about to die, but he's getting 3 in total. That's a lot. That's a lot. No, mother. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later because my camera dying. Y'all, I literally just took this battery out of the battery charger and it's saying it's dead, like something. Hey guys, so a couple days, like it's probably like a week and a half later. Don't kill me, but at least I picked up like the camera. I straightened my hair, y'all, and I can't believe it poofed up already. Like y'all should have seen it. When did I do my hair? What's today? I think I did it on Tuesday. Yeah, I think Tuesday. No, it was Monday. I don't know, Monday or Tuesday, and it was so flat. And look at it now. It's so poofed up, but it's still like bouncy. It's just, you know, and I gotta trim and everything. And so y'all know how the drill. I'm putting these back in some cornrows soon. Right now, me and Sweets, we're about to go to, where we are going? We're about to go to Walmart to pick up some stuff before he go to work. And then, and Kai too. Me, Kai, and Sweet. Kai, say hi. You cute Mickey Mouse. Anyway, yeah, so we're running to Walmart real quick and come back. Like, we're in low-key a rush. Mommy buy a lot of flowers so she going plants. Look at it, they're so pretty. Hey guys, what's up? My hair is so poofed up, but I didn't get to bring y'all in Walmart because it was just a quick in and out, like I told y'all, because Sweets had to go to work. Just had to move like really quickly. So anyway, it's back. It's hours later. Me and baby took a nap. Me and Kai took a nap. Woke up. Kai's back down, so I'm up again. I'm about to iron some of his blankets. I recently did laundry, so I am folding his stuff and I'm ironing his little receivers. And I got some stuff, I'm just like clearing it out, organizing those things. My mom was like, oh, you gotta iron baby clothes. I was like, iron baby clothes? Like, what? I'm not ironing no clothes. Anyway, now I'm here ironing clothes. It's a difference when you see baby clothes and it's ironed. Like, I don't like seeing his clothes if it's not ironed. Like, I have to iron it. Like, I don't iron these like bulky blankets and stuff, but I definitely iron his receivers and his clothes. Just because it gives it a look, to be honest. It gives it a look and I like that look, so I iron it. So I'm just about to iron some stuff. So guys, the reality of this is Kai's up. I got through this much blankets. I'm gonna go cater to him and I'll catch y'all in the morning. I probably won't be finished with this until the morning because it's late right now. It's almost 12 o'clock, so see y'all tomorrow. Hi, Bubba. Hi. You hungry? Ready for your bottle? Yeah. Say good night. Oh, all right.